Sound problem. Welcome everybody. If you have sound problem on WhatsApp, I will show you how to fix it. Right now, let's do it. So first, guys, you just have to open the settings of your device. Go right now, click at your apps option and search for WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp, scroll here down this list, click storage option, click clear cache. And back after that, click at force stop and click OK. Go to Play Store or App Store and update WhatsApp. If you found that the update is available, restart your phone when you finish, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.